Hello and welcome back to Tech Idea. In my today's video, I'll be showing you how you can change your profile picture on FB without it being shown on the news feed. But before I proceed with today's video, give a thumbs up to this video, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notification whenever we upload something new. Now open your Facebook app and go to your profile. Now click on the camera icon over here and click on select profile picture. Select your desired picture. At the bottom of your screen you can see share your update to newsfeed. Unselect this and it will not be updated on the newsfeed, which means your friends or followers will not be notified about you changing your profile picture. Click on save and you have successfully changed your profile picture without it being posted on the newsfeed. I hope my video was helpful. Comment and let us know your thoughts and queries. Feel free to suggest us if you have any requests for our new videos. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notification whenever we upload something new.